Morning guys. So, solo flight tayo ngayon guys. Kasi si Georgie at si Daddy umalis na, pumunta na ng school. At ay merong si Georgie, ang tawag nito, field trip going to Stonehenge. So dahil hindi tayo pinayagan mag swap shift, buti na lang na taon is day off ni Mr. So, si Mr. na yung nagpresenta na mag-accompany sa sa kids kasi bawat field trip nila kailangan may volunteer kasi 'di ba syempre maraming bata. So anyway, yun nga nag Stonehenge. So medyo tayo ngayon, nagpa-inday-inday. I'm not in a rush going to work. Tas bango nito, no? Yung deer oil. Pag after mo maligo, maglagay ka nito. Oh, bango. Siyempre, parisan mo rin ng deer perfume. Deer perfume. Yan. Marami pa laman kasi. Para mabango habang nagtatrabaho. Sana maayos yung biyahe nila at medyo sana less walking sila kasi alam niyo na mainit, tapos si Mr. hingalin. Alala yun si Georgie kasi ayaw talaga ni Georgie na daddy niya ang sumama kasi yung bata nag-alala. Sabi pa niya last time, I have to make sure that daddy won't come. Pero sabi ko, no, once daddy decide, you can't do anything, you know? So, banding na rin din nila. Sabi ni Mr. No, I wanna spend time with Georgie. So, okay. Ay. Mamaya pa yun uwi sila Georgie guys. Sabi nung yung sa school letter nila, baka depende sa traffic, balik sila ng school ng mga 3:30. So mangyayari niyan, uuwi na ako niyan after work. Diretso na ako kasi nandun naman si Mr. Kaya sabi ni Mr. take your car, don't come with us kasi ayaw niyang maghintay ako ba. Ayaw niya maghintay ako para at least makapagpahinga na ba. I'm sure hindi naman ako makapagpahinga dahil pagka uwi ko, maglalaba ako magsasalang ako ng labahin. Tapos magluluto or wala naman akong mag-prepare ng salad niya ba. Saan ba yung hair tie ko Kaya nandun pa sa toilet. Ay, nahilo. Dito pala kasi ang buhaghag ng buhok ko ba. Diba? Parang lilipad. Let's go na. Papasok na tayo. Tapos nagpakulo ako ng nagluto ko ng itlog. Babaunin ko. Kasi sinubukan ko talaga mag-lose weight guys. Ang hirap kaya pag overweight ka. Ang bigat sa katawan, tapos lalo mabilis kang mapagod. Kaya kailangan magpapayat. Niyaya ako ng katrabaho ko na mag-gym Payatot na siya, tapos nag-gym. Very active. Sabi niya, Jessie. Jessie din yung pangalan. Come with me, let's go for a gym. I said, gustuhin ko man mag-gym. Kaya lang, no? Siyempre sabi nga nila, pag gusto, maraming paraan. Pag ayaw, madaming dahilan. So sabi ko, dahilan ko is, gusto ko man mag-gym, kaya lang, pag uwi ko, siyempre may asikasuhin akong anak, mag sa school, yung nila, yung homework. Wala naman totally homework, kaya lang, siyempre kailangan mo i-practice yung anak mo ba. Tapos, para makaugalian nilang yung mag-aral, hindi yung ano lang, diretso iPad or TV. So, at tapos yan, tapos, crowded yung gym. Ano mo yun? Tapos wala kaming child care. Walang magbabantay sa anak ko. Habang nasa school siya, nasa work ako, pagtapos ko ng work, saka naman tapos ng school niya. So, walay talaga. Pwede naman mag-exercise sa loob ng bahay. Kaya lang, after ng kumain, syempre, busog ka na, gusto mo umupo. Tapos, pag nauna talaga yung upo, alam mo yon, nood ka na ng Netflix, ay, no chance, hindi ka talaga makapag-gym at relax ka na ba? So, ganun yung nangyayari sa akin. Hindi tayo makapag-exercise. Nag-exercise ako sa isip ko. Pag nakaupo ko, sabi ko, mag-exercise nga ako. Hanggang sa, hindi ko na mamalayan yung oras, wala na. Katulog na. Wala din. Walay din. O, diba? Kasya yung itlog natin sa bag. Alam mo ng bag. What's in my bag? Itlog. O, tapos ang ating magic bag. Para kung may freebies tayo, meron tayong paglagyan. Hindi tayo bili-bili ng shopping bag. Tapos headphones, ilipat natin yan sa ating pocket. Tapos purse, no? Or card holder, pero ginawang wallet. Tapos lippy. Nag-sunscreen na ako. Kunting pang lang. Pampapula-pula ba? No? Okay. So, my shoes. I think my fleece is in the car. Oh, nasa sakyan na. Anong oras na ba? My watch. Ibas pakiramdam. Sinong nakaka-relate dyan? Ibas pakiramdam. Alam mo yung pag nag-isa ka sa bahay tapos sobrang tahimik. Namimiss, alam mo yung nakasanayan mo na may anak ka, na nag-iingay, may nagtatawag na mami. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na kahit tahimik pero alam mong may kasama ka kahit nasa taas lang. Pero ganito talaga yung nag-iisa ka, wala kang kasama. Nakakabingi. Sobrang tahimik. Tingnan mo, buhagag. Pagsamahin mo yan. Kapal, no? Ng mukha. Hindi buhok, mukha pala. Iganon ko muna yan. Kasi para mag-wavy kunti ba? Ano ba yan? Ayan, sana walang traffic, Baliw lang. Hinahanap ko yung phone ko. Sabi ko, nasaan yung phone ko? Ay, ginamit ko pala doon. Nagbe-video ka na naman, girl. Ayan, tara na. Work tayo. Dito na tayo, guys. Ayan. Nakikita niyo yung whiter ko. Tumitikwas, girl. Yung yung mag-ama ko, hindi nagme-message kung nasaan na. So, sobrang busy siguro, So, maaga ako mag-start para, same. Maaga tayo uwi today. Hindi ako mag-stay ng, hanggang 2:30. Uwi tayo maaga. Ayan, tapos na ang ating work for today. Sila Georgie, pauwi pa lang sila from Stonehenge. So, diretso na ako ng bahay. Tapos bumili ako ng lasagna. Yun na lang dinner namin. Tapos, bili ako ng chicken wings. Prituhin ko yun kasi gusto ni Georgie magpapak ng ng manok. Siya, natuto na siya. Dati ayaw niya kumain ng, yung inangat nga. Gusto niya yung fili lang, tulad ng daddy niya. So, So, magprito ako niyan mamaya. Or maybe tomorrow. Depende kung di tayo tamarin pag nakarating na tayo ng bahay, ano. So, hopefully, no traffic. Tapos, diretso tayo sa bahay. So, panginit na naman. Kaya hindi tayo makapag sunbathing kasi this time around pag mag sunbathing ka sunog. Dapat yung mag sunbathing morning para makuha mo talaga yung proper vitamin D. O siya. Let's go. Uwi na tayo. Tahimik ng bahay guys. Uy, parang umungkot ko. Parang naiiyak ako. Iba yung pag umuwi ka ba may kasama or may tao sa bahay. Manili akong malakas na tugtog. Ay, kapitbahay pala. Lakas ng tugtog ba? Nalungkot ako guys. Kasi ako lang mag-isa sa bahay. Biis mo na ako. Ay, nagsalang tayo ng labahan. Uy, wala. Dapat pala sinalang to kanina umaga ba? Yun lang, ayoko kasi mag-iwan ng guys. Nakatakbo yung washing machine ba? Walang tao sa bahay. Kasi just in case na mag-flood. No? Ay. Tinda ako nito. Panitin ko lang. Kasi mamaya maglasanya ako. Laki nito. Hiwain natin na para pag after mainit. Hindi mahirap hiwain pag warm ba. Tapos lagyan ko ng cream cheese. Ito lang yung aking guys, merienda. Mamaya magkape. Hindi talaga tayo papayat nito ba? Ang kalaki na to. Sarap ng croissant, no? Kain tayo. Ay! Andito na sila! Where's Georgie? Oh my goodness.
She's cream crackers.
Huh?
She's cream crackers.
What's wrong with you?
She's just had a power nap.
Ah, you had a power nap yesterday? I miss you,
Thanks, Mummy.
Aww. Dumating na ka, baby. May babies ba?
Your baby's hungry.
Your baby's hungry. Don't uy.
In your belly.
Come here.
Oh, leave her boobies. Do that, she'll have your boobs.
No, I want your belly. Hey, she has a bra on.
Ay!
Shoes off.
Edit that.
Sneaky.
Sneaky. Ano pa to si Georgie, guys? Ay, ang pa ng booby. Oh,
Do me a favour.
Booby.
want me to take off your socks?
Yes, please. Check my feet. Because she's worried about me.
What about you? Wait lang, cause my thing is finished. I'll switch that off now, yeah? Because it's still warm.
Looking for the train. You didn't take your shoes off. You didn't take your shoes off.
No.
So that's from inside your
I
shoes.
accidentally, sometimes inside of the shoe.
Oh, the dirt. Oh my goodness, look at her feet, Mummy. You need to go and have a look at her feet.
Oh my goodness! Ano ka?
You need to put her
Uy,
school
stay there.
shoes need to go in the washing machine.
I washed them on
The school
The
shoes.
trainers.
The trainer. The black one?
Yeah, well, that's what she's been wearing. The school shoes have been dirty.
Huy!
She's got black feet.
Kadiri, love.
Like clean them upstairs.
Yeah, go in the bath, cow.
Go on.
Take off your trousers as well, yeah?
Yeah.
So it won't get wet. Guys, sa Dubai kami, bumili ako ng twinning costume namin ni Georgie. Pajama actually siya. Pero ano siya, unicorn na onesies. Eh, yung sa kay Georgie, maliit na. Yung sa akin, siya na ang nagsuot. Sinukat na niya.
Hey, look, my underwear's there. Don't look.
Ano? Yeah, that fits perfect, love. Huh, fits perfect now.
Yeah.
No need to put that.
I'm gonna put it on.
Ano nga, no? You get sweaty, oh, it's hot.
No. I'm ready to put it on.
Ang shoot na ikaw. Kahit ang init-init, uy, nag-1C, naunsa, may, look at your tail. Ha?
Feels weird.
Andito na yung happy pill ko. My happy pill is back home. Oh, show you dance. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Ano, let's eat dinner na?
No, I'm not hungry.
Can't leave it.
Yun na yung ating lasagna, guys. Oh, ganda, oh. Ganda pagkaluto. Kain na kami ng ano, guys. Mag-dinner na kami para manood kami ng movie or something to watch ba. We can sit down and manood. Nakapagpahinga. Put leg up. Sarap na sarap to eh. What is it, Georgie?
Daddy, we took the pieces of paper I drew.
I saw it already, don't worry. Don't put the hoodie on because you'll get sweaty. Okay, guys. Where you been today?
Stonehenge.
Stonehenge. Did you had fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you remember when
Guess
we
what?
when we
Guess
went
what?
to Stonehenge?
Guess what?
What?
I went through a long lane of poo.
Huh?
There was a big lane. There was like this road, like there was this path where we had to get to Stonehenge, and it was full of rabbit poo, and it was full of rabbit poo and sheep poo.
Really?
Yeah. And I stepped on one.
Daddy told me that you don't take a bus towards the stone. You walk.
Yeah.
Oh my
Because
goodness, that's a long way
because-
to walk.
Yeah.
No?
I don't like it.
Yummy.
And guess what? The Miss Lambert's group is very lucky because they just have to walk a small distance.
Yeah, and they came back on the bloody bus.
Really?
They didn't have to walk back, Georgie. They came back on the bus.
Yeah.
Because he knew if they didn't come back on the bus, we wouldn't leave on time.
Ah.
And by the time they
Well.
came back,
You want
shoes weren't as big.
cheese?
Yeah, cheese, mommy.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
I mean, in the fork.
Cheese is there. You need your spoon.
You're welcome, my dear.
You need a knife as well. Cut it up.
It's empty lagi.
Well,
It's not. It's loads in there.
Huh?
Georgie's just got all the rest of it. Now it's empty. What are you going to fill out with that?
Yeah.
Do it over this kitchen sink.
Can I feel some? I want to eat it.
Is it kulig siya? Or reduce?
It's reduced.
Yeah.
40p off.
Yeah, because I'm supposed to buy fresh and then I sold
Why?
for you.
Why?
Because I know you'll get tired and I want to treat you
Oh, thanks very much.
with donut, you know? Tea with donut. Diba? Eh, good timing. I saw Juan doing reduction. So I said, oh, do you have a jam donut? He said, yeah. What? I said, yes, please.
There's
Nagtimpla pala ako ng kape, hindi ko naubos. Dinner tayo,
I
guys.
just want them not to see
I don't like being on the vlog.
what the name was. I knew what it looked like, but I didn't know the name. I think it's been on the movie thing. I don't know.
What? There you go. We'll send it to you.
Yeah.
So now you've got it in your phone. You'll get your phone from Mummy. I'm going to phone Auntie Melanie now
Why?
because she said give me a ring when it's moving it.
In the coach on the way to Stonehenge, me.
Last night, Georgie.
that's right.
Yeah.
So like on the way to on the way to Stonehenge today, on the coach, like some year fours were like singing "Just Oh My God" to We Buy Any Car, and even they were also singing some of our play songs, like we're doing "For Wind in the Willows."
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, no, you eat some more because you get hungry. Oh, it's still early. Oh, you get hungry later. Just eat bit by bit. No, not kumain ka na maayos, Georgie. Eat properly. Sit down properly. You said you had enough, and then you're gonna ask snack. What's that? What is it, Daddy?
George's sticker. Your S fell off your shed. I need the keys. I don't know. It's on the floor. I'll stick it back on.
Ang drama, oy.
Oh, yeah.
Ibang saya ko, guys. Nandito na yung mag-ama ko. Iba yung pakiramdam talaga. Hindi ko lang paano na kaya yung mga yung nag-iisa na sa buhay, no? Siguro sanayan na lang Pero pag nakasanayan mo kasi na may kasama kang pamilya, mahirap. No, don't play with that because it might get durug-durug. The little book. That's the last water?
Yeah, I'll get some of it.
Yeah. Alright, come on. This book belongs to Georgie. So, ayan. In ko na yung video, guys. Kasi maghugas ako ng plato. And then, we're gonna watch family... Huy!
Oh my God!
Family, program. Sorry na. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Well,